Punctuation Power. Mastering commas with subordinating conjunctions. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on conjunction usage. Today, we're delving deeper into the world of subordinating conjunctions, specifically focusing on punctuation, how and when to use commas with these conjunctions. By the end of this video, you will have a much clearer understanding of the rules and be able to use them correctly in your English writing. Before we delve into the main topic, let's do a quick recap. Subordinating conjunctions are words that connect a dependent clause to an independent clause, creating a complex sentence. Examples include although, because, since, unless, and many others. The subordinating conjunction can go at the start or in the middle of the sentence, and this positioning affects our punctuation. When a subordinating conjunction starts a sentence, it's followed by a dependent clause, and then comes the independent clause. Here's where the comma comes into play. When the dependent clause ends, we use a comma to separate it from the independent clause. For example, because I was tired, I went to bed early. What happens when the subordinating conjunction is in the middle of the sentence, connecting an independent clause to a dependent clause? Well, in most cases, you won't need a comma. For example, I went to bed early because I was tired. Like many rules in English, there are exceptions. Sometimes, even if the subordinating conjunction is in the middle of the sentence, we use a comma. This is usually done for emphasis or to avoid confusion. For example, I went to bed early because I was tired. In this sentence, the comma before because places more emphasis on the reason for going to bed early. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on punctuation with subordinating conjunctions. It might seem tricky at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Remember to keep practicing and applying these rules in your writing. As always, we hope this video was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!